Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are resonating with the readings. Today's cards, I feel a brightness will be there. Not cards, I mean, when I sense the energies of people who follow my cards, I feel there is a brightness happening. A ray of hope is coming up, but you are still stuck on to something which has happened in the past and you still are not fully confident whether it will happen or not. So don't stick on to that. Move forward. Today the color has to be yellow. Lot of healing, I would say, is needed for the solar plexus chakra. And also today, if you can feed either 3 stray animals, or if you can feed some 3 poor people with some, mainly with something made of wheat, that will actually help you in coming out of the obstacles and give you more clarity. So let's see what is in the cards today. The first card has come as the Lovers card. Here, if you see, I feel, there is the one person is focusing at 2 things. It's a very different Lovers card, but definitely one of them is going to sting and one of them is not meant for you. So maybe there were 2 choices which was coming and you didn't know which choice to select, and that is why you were trying to take both the choices and you ended up getting hurt. But let's see the next card. Again, this is another beautiful card, the Queen of Wands. Here I feel you will make the right choice if you sit and think properly. So today maybe it is 2 projects, or it is 2 job opportunities, or it are two things which is coming in your way, and it is asking you to take the right decision, and you are not able to understand whether you're taking the right decision or not, and you still feel left out, and you feel that am I in the right path? You're still continuing the energies of fear inside you. But I would suggest don't continue that energies of fear and overlook it, because sometimes we just tend to not understand that we have everything with us, but we just worry about what to do. That is what I feel, because this lady knows that there's nothing to worry about, but still she keeps wondering what is happening, why it is happening, because it's her own fears that is overpowering her. I just pull one more card also to see again, that is only shown that a person is looking at what it is which is attacking him from back or attacking her from back. But overall, when I see these cards, I feel you need to move forward, you need to let go, and you need to beware of what choices you're making. And if you make a choice, then stick on to that choice with the faith that whatever is the choice you've done, success will be yours for sure. Have a beautiful and a blessed day.